not like me and you haven't used this kind of paper and you want to scrape that, you need to cleanse your, perhaps you've got a wooden palette, one of the traditional ones. This is 25 years worth of palette scraping since I was at college. So I'd literally go like this, scrape the paint that I haven't used off my palette. It sometimes gets a little bit harder because it might have dried a lot more than this, and I just do that. And that's how this is built up from a tiny little blob 25 years ago. If you want to clean your brushes, you have white spirit in a tub, rub your brushes in there, wipe them on a cloth, lovely and clean. Then you pour that into, you don't waste it, you pour it into here. Now before I do this, I can show you where the paint has settled at the bottom. So it's dark, the paint settled at the bottom, and then you've got cleaner white spirit here, which I then reuse to clean my brushes in.